What is an earnings call? An earnings call is a public meeting, usually held over the phone or online, where a company talks about how it's been performing financially. Most big companies hold these calls every 3 months after releasing their quarterly results. Some smaller or international companies might only report once or twice a year, depending on the rules where they're listed. During the call, the company's leaders, often the CEO and CFO, explain things like revenue, profits, and major business developments. Then, analysts and investors usually get the chance to ask questions. In simple terms, it's the company saying, here's how we've been doing, here's why, and here's what we see ahead. Why does it matter? Earnings calls give you insight straight from the source. Instead of relying only on headlines or stock charts, you hear directly from the people running the company. For investors, this matters because it builds confidence. You can understand not just the numbers, but also the tone, whether management sounds cautious, excited, or uncertain. That emotional layer often influences how the market reacts. In fact, share prices can move sharply right after a call, especially if results are a big surprise. For ordinary investors, it's a way to feel more connected to where your money is invested. You're not just owning a ticker symbol, you're following a real business and its story. Here's a simple example. Imagine you own shares in a tech company. The headline results say profits went up 5%. That sounds fine, but on the earnings call, the CEO explains that costs are rising quickly and competition is fierce. Suddenly, that 5% growth looks a bit shakier. On the other hand, maybe the numbers don't look great, say profits fell by 2%, but during the call, the company explains it invested heavily in a new product that's launching soon. Investors might then see the short-term dip as part of a longer-term growth plan. This is why earnings calls matter. The story behind the numbers can change how you see the results. What else should you know? Earnings calls aren't perfect. Management wants to present the company in the best possible light, so you might not get the full picture. That's why analysts often press them with tough questions. They can also be a bit heavy on jargon. Terms like EBITDA or guidance get thrown around a lot. As a listener, it's okay to look things up later. Even professionals do. It's also worth knowing that these calls are usually open to everyone, not just big investors. Companies often post recordings or transcripts on their websites, and many financial news sites publish summaries. So even if you don't tune in live, you can still access them. Finally, think of them as a complement to financial reports. The reports give the raw numbers, while the earnings call adds color, context, and Q&A. If you own shares in a company, listening in can give you a clearer sense of what's really happening behind the headlines. To sum it all up, an earnings call is a company's regular chance to explain its financial results and outlook directly to investors. It matters because it adds context, tone, and detail to the numbers on the page, and markets often react quickly to what's said. For anyone interested in investing, earnings calls are like listening in on the boardroom. They won't give you every answer, but they're a valuable way to connect the numbers to the real people running the business. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.